Hi, this is Fernando Yepes, and I'm showing here the design of the system to measure the volume of any sample. This is a hardware-firmware experiment designed to calculate the volume of any sample by water displacement. This design has redundant measuring mechanisms, but we finally use the flow sensor located here. We also have two recipients. This one will receive the sample, and this one will serve as water displacement measuring recipient. Here we have a non-contact level sensor, two scales, two pumps, here and here, and a programmable device that controls the pumps through these two relays. The operation is simple. Consider that the non-contact level sensor is activated when the water is at the sensor level and above. It is off otherwise. The process starts with the water level here, below the sensor, so the sensor is off. That means that the programmable device sees a 0 here. The pump 2 is turned on to push water into the sample recipient until the sensor is activated, meaning until the programmable device sees here a change from 0 to 1. Next, the pump 1 is turned on until the non-contact level sensor is off. That means until a 1 to 0 transition is read here when the water is descending. Then the volume to be measured is submerged into the sample recipient, raising the water level above the non-contact sensor level. So the programmable device sees a 1 again. Pump 1 is turned on, making the water level to descend until the non-contact level sensor is off. In that moment, a 0 appears here. While the system pushes water, the flow sensor is producing pulses that are read by the programmable device. It is done. The volume of the displaced water is equal to the volume of the sample, and we know how much water has passed through this pipe by counting the pulses produced by this sensor.